Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're comparing three of the most popular video conferencing platforms in 2025, Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams. Each has its strengths, and depending on what you need, one might be a better fit than the others. Let's start with Zoom. Zoom really set the standard for virtual meetings during the last few years. It's known for its reliability, smooth video quality, and features like breakout rooms, polls, and virtual backgrounds. For larger webinars and online events, Zoom is still one of the strongest options. The downside is that advanced features and longer meeting durations require a paid plan. Next is Google Meet. This one is built directly into Google Workspace, which makes it very convenient for anyone already using Gmail, Google Calendar, or Docs. Meetings can be started straight from your inbox or calendar invite, and the interface is very clean and minimal. It's not as feature-packed as Zoom, but for quick meetings, classroom use, or everyday business calls. Google Meet is extremely easy to use. Plus, the free plan is generous for casual users. Finally, we have Microsoft Teams. Teams is more than just video meetings. It's a full collaboration hub. You get chat, file sharing, integrations with Microsoft 365 apps like Word and Excel, and built-in meeting tools. For organizations already using Microsoft's ecosystem, Teams is the obvious choice. However, it can feel a bit heavy compared to Zoom or Meet if you just want a simple video call. So, which one should you choose? Go with Zoom if you need reliable, feature-rich meetings or webinars. Choose Google Meet if you want simplicity and direct integration with Google tools. Pick Microsoft Teams if your company is already using Microsoft 365 and you need an all-in-one collaboration platform. At the end of the day, all three work well. It just depends on whether you value simplicity, advanced meeting features, or full collaboration tools.